Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your headphones Logitech G933. You have to start by open Logitech G Hub application. Of course you need to add your headset to the app and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your or click at your headset and you should be in the headphones. So right here, firstly we need to enable advanced equalizer, because without it we cannot swap between equalizer presets. So click on it and then click at the bass boost. And now we use this preset, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!